Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's Prosperity Marketing System review video, I'd like to share with you why I believe that the Prosperity Marketing System is perfect for beginners. And not just beginners, I'm going to show you some proof as well that even intermediates can use this to promote their primary business, or it can become their primary business. So there's going to be several reasons why I recommend this program. And the first reason is that as a beginner, it's important to be able to earn monthly recurring commissions month after month, get into profit fast, and also have these as 100% recurring commissions. And that's what Prosperity Marketing System offers. So I'll show you some proof of everything I'm talking about today. I'm live in my Gmail account where I get all my notifications for Prosperity Marketing System. Each of these, cha-ching, you just made a sale, these are all 100% monthly recurring commissions. And there'll be a link in the description where you can get a free 7-day trial, and all you need to do is refer one member, and then you're going to get your membership for free. And you'll see that on some days, excuse me, on some days here, this little 2 here denotes that 2 came in. So month after month after month after month, 100% recurring commissions come in. So the reason that the membership retention is so high is because you only need to get one referral to get your own membership paid for. And members don't quit if they're getting their membership paid for, and they certainly don't quit if they're into profit with anything. So you just carry on promoting. There's even 100% pass up recurring commissions. So there'll be a link in the description where you can get a free video and that'll explain things in a lot more detail for you. And the one here at 2. So just you can see here, month after month after month after month, the 100% recurring passive income streams come in. Now this is one income stream of 17. So it's a done for you funnel. And as a beginner, we want to ensure that you're going to get beginner training. So we've got a training course here. It's put together by a 7-figure earner. And this is good. It starts right from the very beginning, all the basics of how you can just promote one link and earn up to 17 income streams. And the funnel, it's a done for you funnel. And within the funnel, you go into income builders here. What I'm going to teach you is I'm going to teach you how you can earn multiple income streams, get the right good quality traffic, but also get into profit with those income streams as well. And the first income stream I want to share with you here is the $97 100% commission. So the owner of the Prosperity Marketing System is a gentleman called Darren Orlander, and he's an affiliate marketer. And what he's done, he's put a product in the Prosperity Marketing System that costs $97. And you don't even have to buy that to be able to earn the 100% commission if any of your referrals decide they want to buy it and use it. So I've received 2 of those since I joined. And another way to get into profit fast is if one of your students or your referrals buys this product. So lots of other videos on this. I'm going to put a playlist. I'm going to pin a playlist to the top comment below this video so you can scroll through and have a look and pick out your favorite videos you want to choose. So that's a $97 100% one-off commission excuse me, that you can earn just by promoting one link. And if you just if one of your referrals upgrades and buys that, that's going to pay for 8 months of your Prosperity Marketing System membership. So what you'll see here is I've got several traffic programs in the funnel. So I not only teach you how to get buyer traffic to get more referrals and build your prosperity marketing system program, I also show you how to get into profit with these traffic programs as well. And you'll see here monthly recurring payment number 8, number 4, number 8. So I teach you, you'll see over $2,340 in commissions have been sold with these products. So you only need a couple of referrals from each one to get into profit. So what you can do is this acts like a funded proposal. I teach you where to get good quality traffic from, excuse me, but I also teach you how to get, excuse me, how to get into product with the funnel programs so you can scale up and build your online business faster. And if I go into this one here, so I'm not going to cover every single funnel product today. It's a done for you funnel product, done for you funnel. So you can even put your own offers in there if you've been making money online for a while. It's an 80% customizable funnel. So you don't have to put in the offers that I've got in there. But this is what I teach my students, how to get leads, how to get buyers, and how to get into profit and get free traffic. So my lead gen secret is another program that I teach you how to get 200 leads a day to promote not just prosperity marketing system, but how to promote any other offer online at the moment. And what you'll see here is if I go into mailing system and select all, then you'll see that I'm going to send out an email today to 127,000 prospects. So I teach you how to get traffic. All of these prospects in my lead gen secret are 100% tier 1 traffic prospects, and they also include buyers. And if I go into affiliates here, I'll show you how to get your traffic for free with my lead gen secret. I'll go into commissions. I'm going to blur out the members' information for privacy. But what you'll see here on commissions earned in this column here, I teach you how to get monthly recurring commissions promoting my lead gen secret, so you can get between 3,000 and 6,000 leads, free leads every single day, 3,000 to 6,000 leads every single month. So this is a great way to fast track your online business, getting your offer in front of thousands and thousands and thousands of prospects every single day. And you'll see all those little RCs there next to the dollar sign. That's all monthly recurring commissions. So again, I'm teaching you how to get good quality traffic, tier 1 traffic and buyers, but get your traffic for free. And that's one of the most important things, because then you can scale up and buy more traffic and put your offer in front of even more people. This one here is called Easy Cash for Ads. That's Easy Cash for Ads. That's an offer that I've got in my funnel. You'll see there I'm live in my back office, and I earn roughly $40 to $50 every month on average from Easy Cash for Ads. And that's something else I can show you, where you can put your offer in front of buyers and also earn additional income stream. I use the Leads Leap tools. You don't have to use Leads Leap, but I use the Leads Leap tools to promote prosperity marketing system. And if you scroll down here, you'll see I'm live in my dashboard. If you scroll down here, I'll even teach you as well. This is today's date, Monday the 19th of September. That's American time. I'm over here in the UK. But you'll see here that Leads Leap have paid me, I've earned $272 in monthly recurring commissions with Leads Leap. So I'll teach you how to get your tools for free, and I'll also teach you how to earn a monthly recurring income with these tools, even as a free member as well. So you can see this is it's a system. It's step by step. I'm going to train you and help you, mentor you every step of the way. And I'm going to give you this free ebook as a thank you for watching this video all the way through. This is a video, sorry, it's an an ebook written by Darren Olander called Instant Traffic Secrets. So it's a free download. There'll be a link in the description, and Darren has written this ebook so you can get more traffic to any of your offers that you're promoting, and you can use this to drive traffic to prosperity marketing system and build your business faster. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. So I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support me on my YouTube journey. And with the YouTube algorithm, that will help more people see this video as well. And if you want to see more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. I'm currently doing new videos every single week. At the moment, I'm doing one a day. And I've got over 750 videos now on the channel. And if you've got any questions at all about prosperity marketing system, then please leave those in the comments below. I'm using it every single day now to build my online business, so I can help you. I can help you use it to build your online business as well, even if you're an absolute beginner and you haven't made your first dollar online yet. And I also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me via email. So there'll be a link in the description that's going to give you a free video tour, and you can also access the free 7-day trial, which I do recommend. And then with the free 7-day trial, what you can do is you can go into the back office here of My Lead Gen Secret, and I'm in my account there. You can go into the back office here with the free 7-day trial, and you can have a look exactly at what this system is all about and how it can help you succeed in making money online. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.